So this is a quick tutorial on how to install the setup, right, and install the Chrome extension. So basically, when you click on the link that I have given in the article, you should be able to see this download, right? You can see this is the extension which we downloaded. Basically, this is the extension which I already have in my PC. So what you have to do is you have to unzip that extension. This is the extension. You have to just unzip it, right? Extract here, you can click on extract here, and you see this is the folder ARP master. Unzip folder is this, right? So this folder is very important for you. Okay, this folder. So what you have to do is what you have to do is very simple. Now you have to go to your browser. You have to click on any tab you clear. Click on the top right corner and click on the manage extensions. Then this is very important. You have to load unpack. Click on load unpack. Now you will see what extension did we download it on the browser. ARP masters, right? So you have to click it. You have to select this folder ARP masters and just select folder, and you will see that this is the extension that we need, right? So now this extension, now we have to go to the testable mind page, home page. This is the page. You can see that there is no current studies available. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to click on this, click on the extension on this page, auto refresh plus. So now this simple, actually you have to go to the settings. Make sure default time interval, that means after this time the website will all start reloading automatically. Make sure you keep it at 15 seconds, right? Don't go below 15, because then can be restrictions. They can detect it that you are manipulating something and they can ban you. So keep it 15 or more, right? These features are okay. These features are not that important. This feature is enable this page monitor features. Click on enable. Now what is default target text? Basically what is this means, now pop-up sound notification you will get, right? So basically this is what you have to target some keywords, which if these keywords are pop up on this page, then the software, the extension will may alert you, right? So there is no current studies. So basically what happens on this page is whenever a new study appears here, there is a something called as current studies. This text appears on this page, right? Current studies. So if we have to put over here current studies, that's it. Now whenever the page is loading, right? So whenever the page is loaded, and automatically every 15 minutes, 15 seconds it will load, and if it detects that there is current studies, then it will alert you, right? Pop-up sound, I think you should keep it. If you want to test, you can test it. So this is the pop-up sound every 60. It will, it will ring for 6 seconds whenever the current studies or new study appear on this page. You can keep this sound, let play only once, or you can click on this, whatever you prefer. And I think that's it. Save the settings. Setting was saved. So that's what you have to do. This page will refresh. Now once you, so page monitor we have enabled, right? So pop-up notification once it find this text, so you can type that text over here also, current studies. Use default. Okay, so that's it. Now you have to click on start. Now you can see that every 15 seconds this page will load, and whenever a new study appears here, you will get notified. I hope you understand, right? Let's see after 15 seconds it loads or not. See, 15 seconds the page started loading, but make sure that the tab is open on your PC, right? Don't close it. tab should be open on your PC and you should do other work, right? Thanks for watching.